What's up, guys? Guess where we're at? We're at the base of the Widowmaker. Now last Saturday, almost a week ago, I took the 950 up there, made 2 attempts, didn't make it. I got about half the way at the first time. And more than 3/4 of the way up into those trees the second time. Today, we're doing it on the 390 Duke. Buckle your seatbelts, guys. It's gonna be a good ride. 390 Duke versus the Widowmaker. Didn't work. Well, that was a no-go, but it was fun. Whew.
The cookie crumbles.
105 degrees out here. It's hot. We're not going to do it again. All right.
There it is. Looks a lot steeper in person than the video.
Dude, it's so steep. My mirror popped off. I think it just pops on. It looks like, no. Rip the screws out. It's okay.